boat safari is very relaxing. No African massage. And if the game comes down to the edge of the water to drink, you can get very close to them and take pictures from a different angle. Follow us on 2 boat tours on the Rufiji River. Watching wildlife from the water is a fun alternative. It's a safari tour, but just on the water. Almost immediately we came across an African fish eagle with a caught catfish. The male partner is waiting. They are believed to mate for life. The African fish eagle feeds mainly on fish, which it swoops down upon from a perch in a tree, snatching the prey from the water with its large clawed talons. The eagle then flies back to its perch to eat its catch. A nest is reused. They have a strong resemblance with the American bald eagle, but the African fish eagle has a white breast and darker eyes. African fish eagle eating out the nest.
And sometimes the fish eagle, they are not going only for fish, sometimes they go for the small mammals.
It also feeds on baby crocs, lizards, water snakes, hyraxes and even small monkeys. For more on these majestic animals, watch our Sea Eagle Safari in Norway. Link above and below. White-crowned lapwing mainly eats insects. Look at the unmistakable yellow facial wattles. Nile crocodiles have a thick, scaly, heavily armored skin. They have an extremely powerful bite that is unique among all animals, and sharp conical teeth that sink into flesh, allowing for a grip that is almost impossible to loosen. The bite force of this crocodile is 5 times stronger than a lion's. Their strict hierarchy is determined by size. Large old males are at the top of this hierarchy and have primary access to food and the best basking spots. The Goliath heron is the world's largest heron, up to 1.5 meters tall and with a wingspan between 185 and 230 centimeters. The malachite kingfisher is a river kingfisher and can justly be named a living jewel for its bright colors. It hunts small fish and tadpoles, but also catches the beetles and waterboatmen that skim around on the water surface. While enjoying the sunset, a hippo that wasn't too happy that we got so close jumped out of the water to chase us away. If we were as close as it appears in this shot, he would walk up to us on the water and attack. Luckily, we're further away. A young Maasai giraffe comes to drink at the water edge, bending at the knee to reach this low. A male yellow baboon walks away after drinking, like he's not afraid of us. An adult hippo can easily stay on the water for 5 minutes, and there are measurements of almost 50 minutes. On average, however, he stays on the water for less than 2 minutes. Hippos also usually sleep on the water. As they sleep, they rise to breathe, something that happens as automatically as breathing itself. Oh yeah. Nile crocodiles can live to be at least 45 years old in the wild. No wonder, because they do nothing for days or weeks at a time. They are ambush predators that can wait for hours, days and even weeks for the suitable moment to attack. The Nile crocodile is one of the most dangerous species of crocodile and is responsible for an estimated 200 human deaths per year. African skimmers fly in lines over calm waters and dip their lower mandibles in the water to feed. When the mandible touches a fish, the skimmer snaps its mouth shut. This African open-bill stork tries to break open a snail shell. During nesting season, they will stockpile these close to their nest. The African spoonbill feeds in shallow water and fishes for various fish, amphibians and insects. The egrets walk next to the African elephant, their paws stirring up small insects that they can immediately pick up. After the boat ride, we had a sunset drink and some ginger and honey snacks on a beach where usually the crocs and the hippos walked around, according to the tracks.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone. Cheers.
So happy travels.
Croatia.
So the crocs won't try to come up whilst we're here? Or?
No. No, all the animals is good, they are human beings.
One more, cheers for our guides.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Cheers.
Yes.
Nice to meet you guys.
You too.
But sorry, we'll leave tomorrow. Next week we'll have a special on the lion kill. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and watch the next video.
Dream
Explore and
and travel with us.